The problem of traffic congestions can be divided into moving traffic and non-moving traffic congestions. To tackle on-road moving traffic congestions in Hong Kong, we are introducing HOTL, High Occupancy Toll Lane. During peak hours, many major routes in Hong Kong have traffic speeds of less than 10 km per hour. This adds additional air, noise, and sound pollution to our city, as well as lots of productivity with everyone just sitting at idle in traffic jams. Our goal is therefore to set up lanes that have higher speeds. This can be done by restricting access of vehicles that have low occupancy. Low occupancy means vehicles with only the minimal occupant inside, such as cars and trucks with only the driver inside. The new lanes will only allow access to vehicles with high occupancy, such as cars with 3 or more passengers and buses. By keeping less vehicles on the new type of lanes, traffic speed can increase, so even emergency and enforcement vehicles can benefit from having access. The lane will work by first having a centralized payment system. Vehicles entering the new lanes will first make a small payment. Infrared scanners will then scan the vehicles to identify the number of occupants inside. Any vehicles found to be contrary to the requirement will then be charged with a fine at the end of the lane. The main advantage of the system is the ability to change the level of fine and occupant requirement to ensure maximum speed is maintained. To encourage other objectives such as environmental air quality, the system can be combined with cameras that scan license plates, so fully occupied electric car can even access the lane for free.
Stringent measures are needed to tackle traffic congestion caused by illegal parking. In this regard, ICT comes into play. Checkpoints are installed at road junctions or at certain points. Similar to the previous application, groups of receivers and cameras are used to identify the vehicles passing by. By combining the records from 2 or more checkpoints, the travel time of a vehicle will be calculated in real time. Based on the algorithms, the ECSS will work on a floating average time. Vehicles that spend longer than the average time will be identified as illegally parked vehicles, and such records will then be sent to a centralized online system. Car owners will then receive online notifications regarding the charges. If the mobile application is installed, they will be notified right away. The application also accepts e-payment and disputes. Of course, as expected, public transport and emergency vehicles are exempted from this application. If the vehicles are involved in traffic accidents, the handling police officers can electronically void the records. In order to ensure the reliability of the records, checkpoints will be set up at entrances and exits of parking lots and driveways. The time spent therein will be excluded from the records.